What's up everyone? So in this video I just have a quick short little one on how you can get better text inside of Unity. Alright, so like I was saying, when I first started out in Unity I didn't have, I couldn't get good text either. So inside of the current Unity, if you have any version 5.0 and later, you'll have something called TextMeshPro by default. So I'm going to right click over here and under UI I'm just going to add TextMeshPro. And the first time you add it into your project, it's going to show this window right here, and you're just going to click import TMP Essentials, and it's going to import a few packages for you. So then once that's done, we can double click on our text here, and you can see we have the text right in the center of the screen. And the reason that you should pretty much always use this TextMeshPro from now on is it's a lot clearer than this default text under UI. This uses canvas render, and whereas this TextMeshPro uses a screen space to render it out, so it's much clearer. And also you get some nice properties down here. So for example, you can change the font size here, but I'll just leave it as 36. And also you can give it some kind of gradient. So if you want to change like the top left, for example, you could give it some kind of gradient on the top left and top right, and also on the bottoms. And there's only there's two slight differences inside of code, so I'm going to right click and just create a script, and I'll call it text, and I'll double click it to open it up. Alright, so I'll just bump up the size here. So to use the TextMeshPro inside of a script, you just need to go up here and say using TMP-Pro, just like that, and that'll give you access to the TextMeshPro files. And I'm just going to say string here and equals example, and I'll call it text. So string text is equal to this string right here, example. And now if we want to say public game object our text mesh, that'll be our TextMeshPro object right here. So then we can just say underneath this update method our text mesh, and then dot get component, and we're going to look for TextMeshPro UGUI dot text is equal to text. So basically what this is doing is it's just taking our TextMesh game object and it's getting a component on that, and it's getting the TextMeshPro UGUI component, and essentially that's just the UI layout for right here, UI component. And then on that component we're getting the text of the component, and we're setting the text just equal to that string up here. So if we save this now and we go back into Unity, and now we just add this script to our canvas. You can add it to any game object, but I'll just add this canvas, and I'll drag in our text, and we'll click on run. Now you can see it switches to example. So there you go guys, it's pretty easy. Like I said, I always use this TextMeshPro pretty much for everything I do. It's clear, it's pretty customizable, and it's not too hard to use in code. So if you have any comments, just let me know down below, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.